Today I would share how to be architect of innovation. As you all know that business organizations are facing enormous challenges to respond to the rapid technological changes and growing demands of consumers for digital products and services. There is a constant search to find solutions to the growing business problems. From my experience, the most optimal solution to address these problems is to architect enterprise digital transformation requirements and objectives. Architecting digital transformation can be address the root causes of fundamental issues that we experience in the digital world. Based on my architectural experience on various enterprise architecture initiatives, digital transformations, and enterprise modernization engagements, I want to share these learning using 5 simple step method approach and hoping to add value. Step 1. Establish fundamentals. Step 2. Simplify complexities. Step 3. Manage cost. Step 4. Innovate and invent. Step 5. Leverage emerging technologies and tools. Step 1. Establish fundamentals. So what are the fundamentals? Fundamentals are vision, strategy, requirements, use cases, and most importantly, defining current state to future state. Vision. In architectural thinking, any new initiatives start with a vision. A vision is being able to think about future with creative imagination and human wisdom based on desired goals. Vision sets the scene and shows us where we want to be in future. Strategy. Once we have a compelling vision for the digital world, it is time to set strategy clearly. We know where are we now on the digital journey and strive for where we want to go. Our destination needs to be marked. Our digital strategy helps us reach our destination using a master plan. A master plan can be a high-level roadmap to take us to the destination we set. Requirements. Digital transformation initiatives can pose many requirements from many angles. Most of the time, requirements can be seen as a simple from outside. However, they are not that easy to manage inside. Therefore, we need to make a concerted effort to understand the requirement from all angles in a structured way. Requirements involve multiple process and stakeholders. These stakeholders can be from different parts of organization with varying goals, roles, responsibility. We need to identify them. Use cases. Related to requirement, understanding the use cases for digital transformation solutions are essential architectural thinking skills. Dealing with use cases require different level of thinking, such as looking at things from user perspective, observing and being an observer at the same time is a critical mental capability. More specifically, a use case is a specific situation depicting the use of product or service of a solution by consumer. Moving from current state to future state. After understanding the requirement and classifying the use cases of solution, we need to apply them to the current state. The current state shows us where we are now. By understanding the current state and its requirement to transform, we set the future state and develop the roadmap to reach to that state. The future state requires substantial amount of analysis and prediction. In this phase, we can consult multiple subject matter experts to ensure that the future state reflects our vision, mission, and solution strategy and ensure that we meet identified requirements. Step 2. Simplifying complexity. We know that enterprise environment can be extremely complex with multiple layers of systems, subsystems, technology stacks, tools, processes, coupled with numerous stakeholders with different agendas and consumer with different expectations. Even though system tools, processes, technology stacks can be challenging, the more significant part of iceberg, the real challenge, is dealing with people in enterprise, specifically multiple stakeholders with different roles and responsibility, and above all, confusing agendas. Therefore, we must consider multiple aspects to simplify complexities, such as processes, tools, technology stacks, designs, specifications, data, governance, integration, and communication. Step 3. Manage cost. Even if we create a paragon of architecture with flawless design, if the solution is economically not viable, it doesn't produce a compelling return on investment, it cannot be considered as successful. Therefore, the financial focus for any digital transformation is mandatory and must be a priority objective. While architecting digital transformation initiative, we need to consider several costs such as infrastructural cost, application and software cost, tools cost, design and specification cost, project management cost, data management cost, mobility cost, governance cost, and above all, the marketing and sales cost. Step 4. Innovate and invent. Digital transformation initiative predominantly based on innovative and inventive ideas. Innovative and inventive thinking generates novel ideas. Focus on improving ideas and strive for making continuous iterative progress. Innovative and inventive thinking can use agile delivery principles to reach to their goals. We know that predicting the future is very hard. Therefore, creating an upfront paragon of architecture is not practical. So, as transformation architects, we must take a pragmatic approach to the architecture and very importantly, focus on minimum viable product. Step 5. Leverage emerging technologies and tools. The key technology enabler of enterprise modernization and digital transformation goals are cloud computing, mobile technologies, IoT, big data, and AI-based or cognitive data analytics. An integrated view of these technologies and associated process along with the tools are critical to our success, to our digital endeavors. Nowadays, most widely used technology in transforming enterprise is cloud computing. Cloud becoming mainstream in many organizations. Adoption of cloud become very rapid. We can use cloud as a foundational enterprise modernization and digital transformation tool. I hope that this information on being successful architects of innovation will help you draw and achieve the success in your digital transformation agenda.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.